Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. In this video, I will be covering the Chip Vac system, the Heavy Duty Dry Vac system, and also the Heavy Duty HEPA Vac system. The Chip Vac and the Heavy Duty Dry Vac system uses an external filter bag which is designed to capture larger particles and allow for the air to escape. The Heavy Duty HEPA Vac system uses an internal pleated HEPA filter which is 99.97% efficient at 0.3 microns. The similarities between the Heavy Duty Dry Vac and the Heavy Duty HEPA Vac system is that they both use a vacuum pump that is made from a hardened alloy steel to pick up heavier materials like steel and to resist wear from materials like sandblasting media. They also have a 10-foot anti-static hose with an upgraded vacuum tools for the deluxe and the premium packages. The Chip Vac system has an aluminum vacuum pump to pick up lighter materials like aluminum and plastic chips. The upgraded vacuum tools are included in the premium package. So now let's go back and open up a model 6197-30 Heavy Duty Dry Vac system to look at the components, assemble the system, and also to share some tips and tricks. It's the 901128-30 and the 9041-30 drum dolly. So we'll go ahead and open this up and do some assembly. For the drum dolly, model 9041-30, I will open it up and there will be some assembly required. Bring the bolt up through, add the washer, and then the lock nut. Tighten all four down for each caster. So when they open up the box, what we do is we have some components in the top of the unit anyways, and we have the drum and some components inside. So I'm going to open up this first, and then we can look at the drum and the components inside to assemble. Alright, so for the box that was on top of the drum, this will include some items like the lid, the vacuum pump, silencing muffler, as well as the filter bag. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. That's the packing. Here we go with the silencing tube. Go on the bottom. As I said, we have the filter bag. Here we have the hose hanger with this unit. Here, inside here, we have here's the vacuum pump. We have a shut-off valve. We have a gauge to go with it. A quick connect fitting. And a T-in connection. And at the bottom we have the drum lid with the side latch locking ring. And looking inside the drum, we have some items, which is the heavy duty accessories, as well as the compressed air line to go with the system. As well as an aluminum extension hose, and we also have the vacuum anti-static vacuum hose that's 10 foot. With the S wand, what you can do is there's a hook up where you click that in, that little nipple, and it will click into place. Here we'll have your hose, and here you connect your vacuum tools to. This helps to keep you from reaching or leaning over. You can use this for the extension. As you see, we have the tool holder. It's got magnets, so it connects right to the drum. The heavy-duty aluminum vacuum tools. And we have the 1/2-inch compressed air hose. Alright, so here's the vacuum pump, and let's go ahead and put that in the 2-inch bung hole. Okay, now we're going to turn this over and install the silence hose. To continue on the top part of this assembly, let's assemble these parts in this order anyway, so it kind of helps it out. So we already have the vacuum pump in the 2-inch MPT settings. We also have the 3/4 inch, which would be for the hose hanger. We'll put that in there. We will add the filter bag. This is to allow the air to escape and keep the contamination inside. When you put it over this ring, just make sure that you have enough material all the way around so that it makes it seal against that ring. Let's make sure that the lid is positioned correctly on top of the drum so that it seals. Let's add the side latch ring. Just make sure when you do this that there is an up and a down. We want this safety lever anyways to be on the top side. Now that we have the lid assembled, let's go ahead and connect compressed air to it. Just remember that we did supply pipe sealant to that and use that in order to seal all the threads. So let's connect this in this exact order. First we're going to use the manual valve. Then the fitting, the conversion nipple fitting. Then we'll connect the T. We have the gauge in this box. Let's go ahead and remove that and attach that to the top of that T. From here we connect the compressed air hose. It has a swivel fitting at the end to connect right to the end. Then for the last step, we will connect the hose to the top of the vacuum unit. And then on the other end, you can use either the extension wand or even the tools, depending if you need reach or not. For the EXAIR also supplies with this premium kit a quick connect valve, so you can connect the compressed air line to your supply. Anyway, so just supply it with compressed air that is clean and dry, and you have a working, operating heavy-duty dry vac system.